Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Dip2Go small container survival kit. Before we get into that, I want to remind you that we have a giveaway going for our super clean degreaser, for the aerosol degreaser, and our basic degreaser, as well as the super clean hat. If you want to get any of that, go ahead and leave a like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and go ahead and share this video, and you'll be entered. We'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. Further ado, let's get into the video. So here we have a very tightly packed to-go condiment, I would say, container. Sauce or pickles or side kind of thing. Very small. Very, very simple to either wax seal or just tape it up or anything like that. And you have a nice seal on it. Right on top, you can see we have our matches and some cellophane with a striker, as well as our water purification tablets, our water containment bag, excuse me. We have a micro sewing kit with our needle, some thread. I believe everything else is kind of taken out just to save space. Here's our compass for navigation. We have a little bit of bank line, cordage, not a little bit, we have a good amount of it. As well as some snare wire. As well as a water-activated towelette for hygiene or water filtration. For cutting, we have a little scalpel blade. And then we have 3 safety pins. And that's our kit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck in the giveaway.